Here's Videomax app AI video generator. So one of those AI video apps. Make your own AI effects videos with the world's leading video editor AI model. Introducing Videomax. Unleash your creativity with AI magic. Videomax transforms your vision into reality with tools that turn your words into mesmerizing videos and your still photos into dynamic visual stories. AI magic videos, AI dance maker, video recast, AI filter, text to video, transform your photos. So quite cool. So you can just get it with coins, which you can buy, or you can buy with a weekly subscription. So yeah, let's just take a glimpse inside of this app to see. Yeah, recently there are a lot of these new AI video apps compared to just AI photos, especially if you want to generate short vertical videos with memes and so on. So here's the app. And again, it's $150 per year, $9 per week, $24 per month. Then you have all the effects. You can just, try to generate, for example, video. Then you can go and try and create an account. So here it is. And then you can try to generate. Unfortunately, you can't get it even if you have some entry coins. So yeah, quite annoying, but actually you can have you have this referral functionality. So copy your referral code and share with your friends. Referral downloads the Videomax app. Referral opens the Videomax app and redeem your referral code, and both you and the referral get 100 coins. So here, for example, feel free to use my code in here and you will get 300 coins to that. So quite a good deal actually if you wanna. So yeah, that's basically what it is.